There are 11 Japanese meal prep rules Americans break every day. Together, they are why you waste your entire Sunday cooking and still have nothing to eat by Wednesday. Most Americans break at least 5 without realizing it, and each one steals an hour from your Sunday. Japan built a system where you cook once and eat well all week. Japanese kitchens are half the size of American ones. One tiny fridge, no pantry, no extra freezer, and still fresh food every night. They do not spend Sunday in the kitchen. First rule is one you break tonight, and it is why your fridge smells by Thursday. Number 6 is about soggy rice you spent Sunday making. Number 8 is why you waste 2 hours at Costco every Sunday. First rule that wastes your Sunday is how long cooked food lives. In Japan, cooked food called Tsukurioki lives 2 to 3 days max in fridge. If not eaten in 3 days, it should have been frozen on day 1. In America, you do the Costco Method. Rotisserie chicken, 5 breasts, 5 black containers with rice and broccoli Sunday, and hope day 5 still wants to be eaten Friday. It does not. By day 4, you throw 2 containers away. You just threw away 2 hours of your Sunday. A container of 5-day-old chicken is not meal prep. It is a science experiment. Fix takes 10 seconds and saves Sunday. When you finish Sunday, you decide, this is for next 2 days in fridge. This goes to freezer. Japanese families write date on masking tape because a container without date is one you will not trust later. Refrigeration slows bacteria. It does not stop it. Prep 3 max Sunday. Freeze rest. Second rule that wastes your Sunday is the container. In Japan, container is sterilized. Hot water, alcohol spray, completely dry, food completely cold before lid goes on. In America, you pour hot leftovers from Chipotle or Panda Express into plastic sundae, snap lid while steam comes out, and put warm box next to milk. You rush because you want Sunday back. You just made rainforest inside. That water drop on lid is where bacteria lives. That is why Sunday prep goes slimy by Tuesday, and you have to cook again Tuesday. You wasted Sunday, and you still cook Tuesday. Fix is not better containers from Target. Spread food on sheet pan, let cool completely, wipe container dry. Third rule that wastes your Sunday is flat versus tall. In Japanese freezer, everything is flat, thin, small. 1 serving, 3/4 of a cup, about 5 ounces. Pressed flat, air pushed out like envelope. In American freezer, everything is tall and huge. Sunday, you freeze chili in big 32-ounce deli tubs from Costco, 3 inches thick, frozen into a brick that takes 2 hours to defrost. You cannot defrost a brick on Tuesday after work, so you skip it and order DoorDash. Your Sunday batch sits until freezer burn. You wasted 3 hours Sunday making a brick you cannot use. Japanese families freeze rice and meat thin and flat, sometimes with little hole in middle of rice so heat hits evenly. 1 flat pack defrosts in 4 minutes. 1 thick tub never does. On Sunday, divide batches into single portions. Press flat, push air out, stack like files. Fourth rule that wastes your Sunday is what you freeze. In Japan, they do not freeze cooked food. They freeze raw food with flavor, called shitaji reido, seasoned freezing. In America, you spend all Sunday cooking everything fully. You cook chicken, rice, broccoli, then freeze cooked dry chicken you hate reheating. Japanese way saves Sunday. Sunday, you buy family pack of thighs at Costco, put in bags with soy sauce, mirin, ginger, or Trader Joe's teriyaki, push air out, freeze raw. 10 minutes. Wednesday, you do not reheat, you just cook. Freezer to pan, 10 minutes, tastes like you just marinated it. Freezer does marinating for you. You are not cooking twice on Sunday. You are cooking once when you want to eat. Fifth rule that wastes your Sunday is rice. In Japan, rice is frozen. Second, it is cooked. Hot. steaming, right off cooker, wrapped immediately to lock water inside. One serving, 3/4 of a cup, about 5 ounces, pressed thin. In America, rice goes in fridge. Sunday, you make big pot of jasmine rice from Costco in bowl with plastic wrap. Next day, hard like pebbles. So you make fresh rice again Monday. You wasted Sunday rice. Fridge is worst place for rice. Cold makes starch go hard. Freezer is only place for leftover rice. Japanese trick is wrap while still hot. Trapped steam keeps it fluffy, thin, flat, one portion, straight to freezer, while hot. Do this Sunday, Wednesday, rice tastes like Sunday rice, even leftover chipotle rice. 6th rule that wastes your Sunday is soup. In Japan, nobody makes miso soup from scratch on busy night. They make Misodama on Sunday. Little balls of miso, dashi, dried wakame, little tofu, rolled into one serving and frozen. When you want soup, you pour hot water, 3/4 of a cup, about 6 ounces, 1 ball, done. In America, you either skip soup Sunday because tired, or spend 20 minutes every night making soup from scratch after work. You never built soup system on Sunday. Miso should not be boiled. Boiling kills flavor. Hot water is enough. Same with dashi. Families make bottle of concentrated white dashi Sunday. Sake and mirin boiled, soy and salt, dashi pack and kombu left overnight in fridge. Bottle lasts a month. 1 spoon becomes noodle soup, egg dressing. Make 10 Misodama Sunday, 15 minutes. Breakfast soup faster than Keurig. 7th rule that wastes your Sunday is making one giant same meal. In Japan, meal prep is not one giant batch. It is 1 soup, 3 small sides. Ichiju-sansai. In America, meal prep is tic-tac tray of chicken, rice, broccoli 5 days on Sunday. Same color, same taste, until you cannot look at it. No wonder you quit Thursday and throw away 2 containers. You spent 4 hours Sunday making food you are now sick of. Japanese way is modular and saves Sunday motivation. Prep 3 small dishes from Trader Joe's Sunday. Carrot salad, spinach with sesame, edamame with salt. Each lasts 3 days. Rotate. Monday, carrot and spinach. Tuesday, spinach and edamame. Cook smaller, more variety. Fridge looks like Whole Foods deli, not warehouse. 8th rule that wastes your Sunday is shopping with no complete use plan. In Japan, you buy what is in season and use whole thing. Daikon root into miso soup, leaves become furikake. Carrot peel into stock. Rule called Kansan shiyu, complete use. In America, you waste Sunday wandering Costco. You buy 5-pound bag of spinach even though you live alone, out-of-season strawberries at Walmart that mold in 2 days, and random ingredients with no plan. That limp bag of spinach you threw away cost $8 and cost you 2 hours Sunday shopping and chopping. Before shopping Sunday, decide this cabbage from Trader Joe's will be 3 meals. Tonight coleslaw, tomorrow soup, last part fried with bacon. 1 vegetable, 3 exits. Buy seasonal because seasonal is cheap, lasts longer. Summer corn from farmer's market wants to be eaten now. Winter tomato does not. 9th rule that wastes your Sunday is no fixed address in fridge. In Japan, everything has fixed address. Teichi. Oldest lives in front, new goes in back. Front is for expiring soon. In America, everything goes wherever space Sunday. Your fridge is 40% condiments, 6 half-used ketchups, ranch, everything bagel sauce you used once. New yogurt in front, old yogurt dies behind mustard. Sunday you made beautiful prep, but Tuesday you cannot find it behind ketchup. You cannot eat what you cannot see. You spent 3 hours Sunday cooking, then 10 minutes every weeknight searching fridge. That search is wasted Sunday time. Fix saves Sunday. 1 shelf for this week's Tsukurioki, 1 shelf for raw shiitaji reto. Every night move older pack to front. Door for condiments only. 10th rule that wastes your Sunday is you do not batch flavor on Sunday. so you waste every weeknight and next Sunday buying flavor. In Japan, you do not buy 6 bottled dressings. On Sunday, you make 2 mother sauces in 10 minutes. 1 sesame sauce, goma dare, with ground sesame, soy sauce, mirin. 1 ponzu, with soy sauce, citrus, dashi. In America on Sunday, you drive to Trader Joe's and buy ranch, Italian, Caesar, barbecue, hot sauce, and green goddess you used once. 6 bottles, each $4, each half empty indoor by next Sunday. Then next Sunday, you drive again to buy more. Those 2 Japanese sauces are your Sunday flavor factory. Same Costco chicken thighs become sesame chicken Monday, ponzu chicken Tuesday. Same broccoli becomes sesame or ponzu. 2 mason jars, 12 ounces each, lasts 10 days in fridge. 10 minutes this Sunday saves you a full grocery run next Sunday and 20 minutes every weeknight deciding what sauce to use. If you do not batch flavor Sunday, you waste next Sunday shopping for flavor. 11th rule that wastes your Sunday is you do not finish Sunday with grab-and-go packs, so you waste next Sunday redoing work. In Japan, last 15 minutes of Sunday prep is packing for grab-and-go. Rice is pressed into 3/4 cup, 5-ounce onigiri, and frozen. Chicken is in 5-ounce single bags. Vegetables are in small containers you can grab like a yogurt. In America, on Sunday, you pack everything in big family-sized tubs. Monday morning, you have to repack into small containers for work. You make a mess. You are late. You leave the big tub at home. By Wednesday, you stop bringing lunch. Next Sunday, you have to do it all again because you never made it grab and go. And that scrap bag is same logic. On Sunday, you throw away carrot ends, broccoli stems from Costco bag, rotisserie chicken bones. Next Sunday, you spend $8.30 buying 32-ounce box of broth at Trader Joe's that you already had in trash last Sunday. If you save a scrap bag in freezer Sunday, every end goes in. When full, it becomes stock. Free broth, no extra Sunday trip. If you do not pack grab and go Sunday, you waste this Sunday and next Sunday. There is one more that wastes your Sunday. The reset. In Japan, you never finish cooking without resetting kitchen. Nagare. Flow. As soup simmers, you wipe counter. As rice cooks, you wash board. In America, you cook 5 hours Sunday, and kitchen looks like disaster zone. So you hate meal prep because you associate Sunday with destroyed kitchen and 3 hours of dishes. You will skip next Sunday because last Sunday was miserable. If you reset as you go, Sunday does not feel like marathon. You get Sunday evening back, and you will actually want to do it again next Sunday. Every rule was one of 4 ideas that save your Sunday. Small portions, freeze raw not cooked, make it visible, waste nothing. Your Sunday was never a problem, method was. 3-question test for fridge right now to save next Sunday. First, can I see everything without moving anything? Second, does everything have one fixed place or does it move every week? Third, is this container empty or because wrong shape to use? If you fail one, you know where to start next Sunday. 2 words hold this video: Teichi, fixed address, and matainai. What a waste. So use completely. Kitchen is not too small. Containers not too cheap. You were storing tall when should be flat, cooked when should be raw, hidden when should be visible, and you were spending Sunday cooking food you would throw away. Let me know in comments which of 11 rules wastes most of your Sunday now and what you will fix first.